aina kitang semdok haningbadi the onus or responsibility to bring unity among the peoples of Manipur lies with the people of Manipur. Natra aduna mi amana su ngamanate ani na su ngamanate mayam se masa masa gi ownership amam lauraga si ai lebak ni ai lebak si nungsi ma se ai gi ichi naw ni maga ai lemina ningi thabak tomina ningi haiba dugumba emotional bond ma adum su changi. But at the same time akhoi administration gi policy gi ko political vision gi hai targeti akhoi chinga tamga lapthong na rai se maram yam gre maram yam se mayam oi khanga ma ta ne ai amuka han hair ga board su halagum ge important thing is emotional bonding do adu khatan natana economic integrity am su sange haibadi samna haibada aina chingda leire chinglen na tampakta leire adu tardi chinglen ingon da depend tawba aina chinglen da depend tawba adu targeti akhoi ni economic activities hai si mutual friendships da depend taw targeti adu su incentive amane akhoi ni unite tawba gi adu emotional bonding katana taba economic bonding am su sange ba karai de akhoi gi di usik chingda chalo loire sorok tagi lambi tagi hospital tagi anything you see akhoi na Imphal Valley da Manipur gi valley da patre karap oire haire myam je sidagi saruk chame hena singda hen soe adu targati disconnect to yam patra adu yam na leiba disconnect se masid akoina integrate tawge hai targati emotional bonding am change mi myam se masa masa gi ownership am loba ani shu da economic integrity hai tar dependency amaga depend tawna si economic activities na sum kan khala ingai hoi gi ke hetare yamna divisive over politics se si su maru phuna ko muthat pangam ni na thajai
adu hojik tamo mathang laksani question chi hojik Manipur da leiba political party me amsa asida hana congress da party me matam adagi congress da party congress power yam leira mi center da su congress da pai hojik ti center da BJP la khibdagi BJP na pai go asida moigi di resource yamna lay praja gi di tasing har matam da mamang election da mayam da gi lupa tara loba khotpa leina sumain to adu resource yamna dakar di oy go idea tu phaja tar su ai lam du yogadori bini ai office ama hang da ba yaroi ai lam du da mi khara nomagi aina masi run to han gadori bini go adu hairi ba makhai si punama face to na ba ngamna ba hotna ba da resource adu ai tasing har kan paisa ji khari di dakar oy sida si batau karam na haidi BJP ki su Congress ki su mo ngam na namaka hona to ni paisa pi hai ni mi khuding khang na ni paisa pi hai si adu mi khuding mang wakhan da paisa khara lo ba ji dakar oi haina sibong yo gare ko justice aidi mi khuding ki wan thok mom lai gare justice ai si ni ai gi na si ni ha ga matau karam na haidi sida praja na kamaina thengna ga dawri bano haidi sida thajaba lai ri se sida hongak pa ma hongakani haina thajaba lai ri kari maram da gino tawdaba ya da ban thawak
akhoi lupa tara logi ba matam do 10 for change na campaign am horaga aham di mayam na kambu kharan su yam nokna ba yawe hera mingon da gi praja da gi bu vote loraga paisa loraga vote lepi du di ngaudro hai ba kambu su yawe hai bidi ngasi bo da tawrei si di vote lepi ba miduna mingon do ina paisa yen bane ba akhoi gi sina pra opposite ne praja miyam na paisa to vision view afaba candidate thagatsi corruption je pura muthat pangam daga su control tawsi haija bane ba and so some people laughed at us natra but guess what we raised more than 25 lakh rupees pata tara manga cham chani lising tawraga ko khare am ngam mina khare am happy re I think political funding je BJP bo reju Congress bo reju moi gi political parties ingi laiba funding je karai de la pono hebji moi karam haide oi losal le it's secret nobody knows crore me am je kai de lai no je Ambani de laira Adani de laira ko khang de kanam ta akhoi gi di website oi hap to e to mona su ga hapai chaw buna su hapai haibna sing ba I think not just election but political funding should also be democratized aduna democracy haibasidi Misam Praja Miyamna Panganama Apunmama Sagat Pahaibane. Tashing Hargati. Aduna Mayambu represent Pahaibane. Aduna. Even for political parties, I strongly believe that people should be empowered enough, engaged enough, involved enough to contribute 10 rupees. Lebaki phanana bai lupatara khakti ai contribute to yai. Natra sama khakti ai sahi amada lupasama ti ai bi ai. Haiba sigumba lebak ningba, lebak pun nuksijaba, corruption control tawsi haiba wakhalon se. Si tam na phagi praja miyam sina lak matam sida. We will raise not just 25 lakhs, 1 crore, 10 crore. And those money, mapam moina khangdoi mana kaya pire, hairu pesa se karai da sakre haibana ching. Aduna tagadi corporate mayam sina acho ba akhoi company mayam sina ko interest group mayam sina pesa se political parties to pisalaga akhoi lebak sigi ke hata resource mayam se chup thok ki bunga tane 5 trillion cubic feet of petroleum was found in Manipur and it's all sold off. You want to talk about it? Akoy the Tamnana, Pazamiam Tamnana. Company Jubilant Energy as you Pakala Yang, Bakanakana Yaugena. Political parties in the country contribute to me at the way I'm name. Tatra. Aduna, it's very important that everybody gets involved. Mayam involved Tauraka. Lebakisi the Makta econom de Toronke have a poacher. Sigi Wakanje, Tamtamna la cantity. I think we will see changes, a lot of changes. I don't know, political funding so BJP Congress ki Kambunasu Haidok put him a talk to Abraham and Kale, Moy Peshasing the Kai de Lai no have him. I don't know Sibukaram Haidok Teb. Adune Quigi, the Shang Haragati, national parties in Jina, Hoy Manipur, Laga, Tauriba, Lana, so was the Quigi Hatare. Top as over poor lie, tang as over poor lie, nuclear bombs we are Adubu, Sigi Port Mamse, Karaiti, Kana, Tara, no have the Koitisan Dev. Akoigi Manipur, you Oizaba, Praja Party, the PRJA, Tashang Haragati, PRJA na Manipur give voice oibani, Manipur give voice ois again, a tola evening. Aduna Adudo in Quina supports a Piraga. From Nakandagi Laiba tank at the gay Kahatare truck at also bar, no way over Paiba at the gay bombs over Paiba. Kuzukulai the whatever. She Kuzukulai, Kana Tarino, the way Tarino has a quick Wakando Motom Yawer.
Hello, Tomo was it Center the BJP Sakana Pike, BJP is now at least 19 states company when the rule to was it. I quickly hired some boys on a top was it. Center the young Pomatam Atopa states in the Gigo, Nordish Natapa states in the young Pomatam Dasi, Moyisi Kidang, Tonkai Tanningbergi, Mongam Mali, and Uram Gadra, and Isagi was a top Pomatamsida. Mokoji, a quick punning the Hina Uram Gadra.
Ado a Moyaka can get a yam candy. A Koyaka can get have yam focused out of Jening. When a cunning Makanzazono. India is a constitutionally a federal republic. Natra federalism ki poche yam kupna nainaba haibam yam julay ko Manipurda. Federalism means nasa ke decision nasa logjaba. Manipur ki decision Manipur logjaba haibani. Gero the Delhi dagi thara ga ngasi di ka hinjang cha si ki irom cha sira sampu cha sira natraga paneer thong cha sira haibadu mana decision logodam natte. Aina hingeba lamdam sida aina logjagadabane. Chakot state me amun yengasi. West Bengal boards, Tamil Nadu boards, qua. See me am city, Mui Masamasaki regional parties, Mayam Sina, Sagatana, Linkatana go. Kalhalagamem. Adugimatam say Manipur, so your Tam Tam, your kidney have a sea, it has ever seen a Yargan, Quimian PRJA, Emma, Putoga, which on talk series. I don't know how Josie, my own dichong, Mahi Jada, Di, Adubu, no matter no the Mahishagani, Saurkani, Havziki, a chair but has a village.
Although Manipur has problems, documented like the unemployment, corruption, education system, there's a sort of like employment, employability, Maji Tabak over the Matic Charbra. Adumbagi questions of my amado. Karima political party a moinago. Karam issue Hana tackle down, important. ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ
yam layer go chiclet. Akhoy lebak issue me am big thalaga label lebak ni. I think three sector ahum mari khaklei yam maru hai tar. Agriculture, for example. Agriculture je koi gi 70% of our population, more than 70% is involved in agriculture. Natra. Agriculture and farming is the yam kana focus to thautai. Why? Because she is a primary sector ne base ne pyramid sigi. She is a strong oi tringai. Matak ta koi yumpham thon ba yaroi doini. Mayam matak ta koi gi maton hair ba yaroi doini. Aduna hai ba masai gi foundation je. Shima hapoi strong hand ba mathautai. So agriculture is very important. Adagi education, employability and high age. Akoi gi samna hai da matam amda yam chana mani hosi pudi kya chana dre. As past all lori haraga note langshan bi natra boy phak to sinna bi. That is the root cause of why somebody is not employable. Natra aduna adugi potuma koina solve to mathau tare education system jima pasana koi rupa crore thada gi bise school sida anga ani gi tamne ngani natra adagi sigum mayam je education da soiba mayam je si hana correct to ba agriculture sector je pasana kalan bako. And then the third sector is healthcare. Healthcare je yam koi yam wanare private hospitals in corruption ta we have gi kholau se yam lairabani hosi case me am thoktana adagi government hospital me am sina facility se fasan thambi de corruption jina pik thalli adagi doctor lai lakte hai te haibana chingbo ko adagi mi lai khitaba adagi case thangalakpa counter case me am me healthcare se we know it is broken, so we need to fix that. Sigi sector ahum je education ne health ne adagi agriculture ne si sector ahum je is very essential, extremely crucial. But there is one sector which is going to be the future of Manipur. Manipur gi corruption gi problem je solve to godaba adutagi Manipur gi self sustainable economy ama samgalakadaba tungi oina yamna maru oiba sector ne, and that is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship se koina phajana I think we can solve the problem of corruption, we can solve problem of unemployment, we can solve many problems with entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship se koina yokhat pa sagat pi ba mathau ta bra khalle local entrepreneur, by the way. Aduna in haijaring akoi gi Ambani Adani adu natab akoi gi Manipur da taseng na invest toroga Manipur gi kana nabusu tawge aduga isagi leijaba talent to adusu ai thadaraga ai business ama foster tawge haiba wakhal leiba adugumba entrepreneur do khoina full support tawba ma mathau tabran khale.
Amo hoigi gasi interview se asisu hoigi entrepreneur ani amna co-sponsor bani ko amana kaksoi ko soibum gi
ai ure sidai sina to
amana Parkway hotel ko hoi restaurant do ado hojik entrepreneur to base hoigi education system sida haidi hoigi matama ma da hoi DM college am power hoi Kaching Kha Manipur college hoina company am power hoi di sida gre si kari maram da gi ni ana khale asina maram boduna employment what employment education ke amu based hoy atoba factor na ke amu based hoy.
See, very simply I economics background ni economics ki term the hijara age thabak hai supply and demand ni supply di yam the demand di yam yam adu target di corruption su yamani ko adai thawak phangdo mi myam su yamani. We need to bring to an equilibrium haitare entrepreneurship hai sector sida entrepreneurs are not really looking for jobs, they are actually creating jobs. Aduna supply side to the mana mathau mayam tawri sigi pochima koina supply side se the fazana focus tawraga employment fazana generate tawba yabagi pot lay aduga Manipur sida di entrepreneurship ki potential yam lay. Manipur is full of opportunity. Education sector dabu hairo, health ki sector, the IT ki sector dabu hairo ko mayamam lere aduga most importantly agriculture sector dago Manipur sida award pa amta leite मीना हाइजन मने अस मणिपुर दी लायर लेबांगनी अखोई इथंदा हिंगमंगा मोय इंडिया दा तांगा हिंगजसी मोय दगी खरा नीरगा अखोई चादरदी अखोई सीरनी गा हाइबा पोचा that is a complete myth and a complete falsehood. I absolutely reject it. You know how Manipur gi poche akhoi na phajana yeng se chahi lising kya ama self sustain oiraga lejarpa adugum leibang ni ko haujik su yeng se you know, the other day I was talking to an activist, and he was sharing that Manipur's dana more than 500 rare orchids are found, more than 1,000 medicinal plants are found. Udagi wa adagi ko adagi world the phang the poche mayam Manipur gi ko khoi lai mai oi phangi ba hauji you know, just a few years ago we came to know Manipur is the town a big ton le men ha platinum the gi chromite the gi ko limestone the gi Manipur da wat palate Manipur da lai ba ising the gi ching the gi man the gi karim to wate ba but we need to harness them. See, harness the use. See the entrepreneurship have a post I truly believe it is the young people, the youth of Manipur, who is going to bring an economic and political revolution. Manipur aduna education sector dagi education sector da koina nahajing je fazana educate to bi mama mathau tai hojik ti hor akoi gi simpa phabi duna tabako 1 plus 2 is 3 2 plus 3 the kya no 7 ga